in the heart of the vast Arabian Peninsula, where the golden sun meets shifting sands, lies a story that spans thousands of years. Before the rise of empires, this was a land of silence, a barren valley surrounded by rugged, sun-drenched mountains. It was here that Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail were led, arriving in a valley that seemed devoid of life, yet full of purpose. Then came the miracle. From the parched earth, the well of Zamzam began to flow, bringing life and hope to the desert heart. Guided by divine command, they began to build. Together, they raised the foundations of a sanctuary that would become the world's spiritual compass. Stone by stone, the Kaaba rose, a simple cube of devotion standing as a testament to faith in the one God. As the centuries passed, the quiet valley transformed. Makkah became a thriving center of trade, drawing travelers from every corner of the earth. Generations of artisans dedicated their lives to the sanctuary, weaving the kiswa with intricate gold calligraphy and the finest black silk. Today, the Masjid al-Haram stands as a modern marvel, illuminated by 1,000 lights, yet echoing with the prayers of millions. In a rhythmic flow of unity, the tawaf continues day and night, a sea of believers circling the Kaaba in silent harmony. In the eastern corner rests the Black Stone, an ancient witness to the prayers and footsteps of countless pilgrims throughout history. The grand golden doors stand as a gateway to history, reflecting a legacy of devotion that has never wavered. From its ancient foundations to its current splendor, the Kaaba remains the heartbeat of a global faith, unchanging amidst a changing world. As a new dawn breaks over Makkah, the sanctuary continues to inspire, a beacon of peace for all generations to come.